Welcome back. I'm your host. We're talking about business to start with AI. Today we're talking about copywriting. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. So if you don't know, what is copywriting summarized for a child? This is what we're going to ask ChatGPT if you're not familiar with this business opportunity. Copywriting is like writing special words and sentences to sell something. It's like when a company wants to make you want to buy their toy, they write special words to make you want it even more. I defined copywriting as writing that converts the reader into a customer or lead. This is another example of ChatGPT shining very brightly with an excellent explanation here. Copywriting is writing special words, and this creates a huge business opportunity. That's what we're talking about today. Make sure you share this video with your good friends. We're going to get into this business, which actually is a strong business because the copywriting has a very low input cost and it has a measurable output for businesses as they can track the results that you bring them. Now, I'm going to jump right into the tool that you can use to build a copywriting service, and that is At Once. Make sure you click the link in the description and get the free trial. All right. This is a software that will allow you to start this type of a business. Once you log in, you go to the dashboard and you can click Write 1,000 words. So again, what kinds of words are we writing? We're writing the types of words to sell something. This is the service that you would offer to what? To businesses that are looking to increase sales. What businesses are those? All businesses, basically. This is why copywriting can be very lucrative. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump back over here. Let's use an example that we are a dentist office and we're trying to sell more dental procedures, like for example braces. Okay. Sell more braces, local dentist. Okay, I could say reasons why you need braces from a local dentist. Okay, so then I say complete, and let's see what it generates. This just gives you an idea of the type of content that you could sell as a copywriter. A dentist office needs more sales. You need to inform the public about what the benefits are for your service. So boom, now I have this information. To correct misaligned or crooked teeth caused by genetics, habits such as thumb sucking, tongue thrusting, uneven growth patterns in the jawbone. And so it's giving me reasons why you need braces from a local dentist right away. Number 3, to fix an improper bite. For orthodontic treatment, prevent gum disease. So it's providing the information that I can use to build content to drive more results, more sales for my client. So let's say, for example, if I just take one of these items, I could copy this and I could go back, and then what I could do, I could go to another blog post and I could say for orthodontic treatment using that same sentence. This is just a good example. Okay, and then I could just say, I do want images. How many words? Let's just say 300 words just for this example. So now I'm creating more content as a copywriter for my client. And again, you can always edit this, customize it, and make it so that it's perfect for your exact situation. But this tool is going to allow you to do the work that you're selling in your business, all leveraging AI. Make sure you click the link in the description so that you can get a free trial for at once. This software does all of this automated for you. So it's artificially intelligence and automatic. So those are two things we need. Let's ask ChatGPT, how profitable can a copywriting business be? Of course, that's not the right grammar, but I'm just trying to hurry up here. How else would I say that sentence? A copywriting business can be very profitable depending on factors such as the size of the business, demand for copywriting services, and experience and skill of copywriters. We can make up with the experience and skill by using the robot. Some successful copywriters can earn high salaries. The market demand for those services and pricing and business strategy of the company. Overall, the profitability of a copywriting business will depend on various factors. So they're not really giving me a super detailed answer. But basically, so now we have our results for our article. I could download it. Let's see if I say edit. Boom. So now I can edit it. Let me zoom in so you can see these words. Can you hear the words that are coming out of my mouth? For orthodontic treatment following tooth extraction due to overcrowded mouth that needs room for other healthy teeth. It explains this. The benefits of orthodontic treatment following tooth extraction. Look at all this information. And this could be used to create videos, other information. Each one of these bullets could become a short or a reel or a short amount of video content. So I just want you to understand that copywriting is a real opportunity. You can sell this service to small businesses like dental offices, other small businesses who want more clients, more customers. And they can obtain that through someone that knows how to write in a way that will generate customers. If you know how to writing special words to sell something. All right. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. When you subscribe, you will get 12 businesses to start with AI today. And you'll also get 31 AI apps to use in your business now. And you'll get my email address. So when you have questions, I'll be there. I'll be there to help you out. And this time I want to thank you for liking this video. If you didn't like this video, make sure you share it with someone who will. Until next time, I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.